Hello everybody, my name is Parth and today I am gonna tell you about the Winning Edge platform. Winning Edge platform is a good platform to study for RMC, RMS and Sainik school. And if you are preparing for like RMC, RMS and Sainik school, I am suggesting you to go to the Winning Edge platform. There are many platforms online, but if you want to go to a very good platform that is not costly and just they have a format of everything, like the question answer formats. They send worksheets every day and they will improve your writing skills, maths, your speech and everything else that comes in your RMC paper. There is the GK part, English part and maths. They just get all our doubts clear of that. If there's any doubt, you can ask them in their WhatsApp or in the class also. So I suggest you to go there if you are preparing for RMS or RMC or Sainik school. Bye and have a nice day.